Is low data mode working on the Reddit app? If Reddit is still using too much mobile data, media loads despite data saving settings, or low data mode won't enable or save, it can affect your browsing experience and data usage. In this video, I will show you how to fix low data mode on Reddit app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Reddit. Here in this page, you will click on this. You will click on this sign of profile. You will go to above. Here click on settings. You will find this page. You will move to low data mode. You tap here and you can turn on low data mode to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.